Uh, hey guys, are you here? From Project 0XA455. The team name is Greater Austin.
Yeah, we're here.
Yeah. Greater Austin has a project called 0XA455. I'm sorry, 0XA455. And then the project is about a crypto gaming platform using NFTs. So yeah, let's pass the time to them and show us what is this project about. And yeah.
Of course. Hey guys, how are y'all doing? My name is Kish. I'm actually one of the members of our team in Greater Austin area. And I'd like to first and foremost thank DoraHacks for inviting us to this live session, as we honestly didn't expect to be presenting here, as our project was actually developed just within the weekend where we attended our DoraHacks Hackathon in Austin. So without further ado, I will now describe the project. So this blockchain platform is a fantasy gaming platform where we use NFTs off of the blockchain NBA Top Shot. And for those who don't know what NBA Top Shot is, it's basically a blockchain center where digital collectibles are stored based off of NBA player highlights or any statistics. And I actually first started the idea by taking curiosity on how these digital collectibles can have more application than just sitting in a crypto wallet. Because I'm sure everyone knows that NFTs are just, auctioned off or just like stored in a crypto wallet. But I thought there could be more application than just that. So my team and I designed a platform using data off NBA Top Shot and crypto data websites to measure the value of these collectibles. And I'd like to explain the data before we...
I'm sorry, Kish, to kind of interrupt it. Your sound is a little bit unclear. So do you think there's a way that we can kind of fix it? I can't hear you now, actually. I'm sorry.
What about now?
Yes. Give it another try or see if it's better. Sorry, just say something.
Okay. Am I clear right now?
Yes. Yeah, it's very clear now. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. So our gaming platform uses digital collectibles using based off of NBA Top Shot, where the NFTs are stored within that blockchain center. And I'd like to go over how we utilize the data off of Top Shot to implement within our gaming platform. So most of these digital collectibles, they have like a volume count. They have like 3 types of value points based off of that blockchain platform, NBA Top Shot, where these NFTs can have rare, common, or legendary as like a stamp on their value. And in addition, they also have the price on which they're auctioned off of. And usually these cards have these prices changed based off of like certain data or certain media to really measure on how that collectible is weighed in. I'd like to have my teammates Gabriel and Alan to introduce our website to give you more of an illustration of what our platform is.
I'm Gabriel. I'll go ahead and go into how blockchain is actually how it works with our project. So our project uses blockchain mainly in the form of smart contracts. When two competitors start their competition, or it could be more, a smart contract is created. The smart contract initially stores the addresses of each player and the serial number for each of the cards that they have, each of the cards that they play. This way, we can find the data of the of the player's cards again so that we can calculate the score. When the smart contract is created, it checks if both players meet the balance requirements. That can be defined, that can either be a predefined number or it can be a number defined by both users that are agreed upon. If they don't meet this requirement, if one of them doesn't meet the requirement, then the contract is void and the transaction does not go through. If the contract is not void, then a certain balance is deducted from each competitor and the total balance is stored in the contract. When the competition is complete, the card's final stats and initial stats are compared. The score is calculated using weights we defined, which gives each variable that was talked about earlier on each card a certain level of importance. Using these variables, we calculate a score for each player. The competitor with the best ending score wins the money stored in the contract. And once that whole process is complete, the contract transfers the money to the winner, making the contract complete. And that is how we used blockchain within our project.
All right. And I guess with that, I can show the mockup that we've created as the concept for it. Let's see. Let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes, we can see your screen, but your sound is also a little bit unclear. So yeah, maybe we can give it another try. See if we can hear it clearly.
Are you talking about the sound?
Yeah, the sounds is a little not so clear.
Alright, so since this is our site, what Gabriel and Kish described earlier is that you have a set of NFTs that you can play against. So with the cards that you've held in your wallet, you can pit against other team members. So as you can see with all the stats that we conceptualize, you see what you're playing against and seeing who you're competing against and see the score and probably like a day-to-day competition or weekly competition, and whoever beat out the other in terms of whatever the players have performed during that week, they get the winning hand. And this is all implemented under React framework. And see how we demoed here is the setup to connect to MetaMask, be able to pull that down with the information that is set up. So with this, this is essentially a check for those values that you're competing against. And once after data has been pulled, after the games have been completed, that's when the contract is completed. So that's pretty much it. The front end side of things. So Gabriel, Kish, do you have anything more to add?
I do not. That I think you summed it up pretty well.
Oh yeah, it's not much more to add, but I just like to add the fact that since we discussed, we only worked on this within a day, there's not much data to really have each application more accurate than it should be.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you guys. Currently we do not have any questions from the committee, I believe, but I personally have a question to ask. Since you guys only built this for within a day, do you guys know each other before coming to the hackathon?
Can you repeat that?
Basically, are you guys you guys know each other, or you guys meet each other at the Austin hackathon?
Oh no, we met each other at the hackathon and started working on this.
Oh,
yeah,
that's cool. Wow. So do you plan to continue build on this game? Do you have any idea? Maybe it's too early to ask, but I'm just curious about it.
I mean, I don't necessarily have like enough to like continue on our project. I mean, clearly it's like something I can see to do like for fun as a project, but I don't know how else there could be anything to improve on this application or to really expand within this application.
Yeah,
because I think with what Trish also mentioned about with Top Shot, you'll have to open up their platform too to allow people to be able to pull in the type of data that's on their platform. If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, and also in addition, like our idea or our concept, like NBA Top Shot's actually working on something similar. It's just like not released out yet. And that blockchain platform, Top Shot, is in beta phase. Like they haven't been as official as it's been stated.
Okay. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, I mean, it's really like it's always excited to hear people who like don't know each other and then get to meet each other on a in-person hackathon and build something like your project combining entertainment with blockchain technology. Yeah. So that's the meaning of hackathon. You know, like exploring and building together. Yeah, we are very honored to have you today and presenting what you have done in our Austin hackathon. And thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for inviting us for the live stream.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
I think our project demos. That's all for our project demo today. And please don't forget to stay tuned to our channel, and we will have more workshop and project demo coming up soon. Thank you very much. Have a good day.